Hello guys, this is Mohsen AR from Signbox software, and in this tutorial we will learn how to install a Java in macOS Mojave. Okay, so first of all let's see whether the Java is already installed in our system or not. You have to first open the system preferences, either go by the dock or you can go with the Apple icon, and then about system preferences. Okay, or not. System preferences, you can go with here, and system preferences. Okay, now it will open the system preferences. Okay, so after opening the system preferences, in the below there is a Java logo. Okay, if this is present in your system preferences, that means your Java is already installed in your system. If not, then you have to download it first and then install it in your system. Now for suppose there is no any Java installed in my system, so what I have to do, I have to just for open browser and the google.com. After that I will go to the download JDK 8, and then in the first link there is a Java SE development kit 8. Okay, so what we are doing, we have to install, we have to download JDK stand for Java development kit, not the JRE or anything else. Go with the first link. In this link you will see we are willing to install Java SE 8 version. So these are version numbers, and in this table you will see there is a Mac OS X 64-bit. There are others, Windows 64, Windows 86, and Solaris, Linux. So but we have Mac OS 64-bit. Then what we have to do, we have to just download it by clicking it. But before clicking it, you have to first accept this license agreement. Click on it. Okay, now just click on this link. It will take you to the download page, or it will download automatically. Okay, so now it is downloading. Okay, so in my case I have already installed it and download it. So what you have to do, first you have to download it, and after downloading it, go to the download directory where you downloaded it, and after that just double click on that. Okay, and it will take to you on the installation panel. After that you don't have to do anything, just by pressing next, 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 and next, it will install in your system. Okay, so after installing in your system, you will go to the system preferences. Okay, and check whether the logo is available or not. Okay, after installation, the logo will present in your system preferences. That means you have installed Java successfully. Now the second question is that how can we set Java home path in our macOS Mojave. So what you have to do, you have to first check whether the Java home path is already set in our system or not. Go with this command, echo $Java home. Okay, there is no Java set in my system. Now before setting this Java, what you have to do, you have to first check whether the .bash_profile file is available in your system or not, because you will set that Java home path in .bash profile file. Okay, so type open -e and .bash_profile. Okay, in my case this file is available. Okay, when you see this notepad or text pad open in your system, that means your file is available in your system. If there is a no file available in your system, then what you have to do, you have to first go with your home directory. You have to press tilde symbol and the forward slash and sorry cd tilde and forward slash and press enter. This will take to you in your home directory. After that, what you have to do, you have to just type touch dot bash underscore profile. Okay, bash underscore profile and hit enter. It will create dot bash profile in your home directory. Okay, after setting this, open this file dot bash underscore profile, export java underscore home equal to dollar sign use sr forward slash dollar sign bracket forward slash usr forward slash lib exec without space forward slash and type the java underscore home. Okay, and then press Control S. Now this will save your .bash profile. Okay, close it. Now the java home path is set in your system. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos and do subscribe my channel and click on bell button so that you can get notification of my further videos.